Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this 2012 Chevy Impala. Start by removing this brace. It's held on with three 13mm bolts. Take note that the rear bolt is larger than the front two bolts. Once that's loose, carefully flip it over and there's this wiring harness attached to it, and that just pulls out. First, disconnect the negative side, and always start with the negative side. And the reason why you do it in that order is because if you have your socket wrench on the positive terminal with the negative still connected, if you swing the wrench and it smacks against something metal, it's going to make a spark, or worse. With the 10mm. And then the positive side. Now in front of the battery is the battery hold down clamp. Way down there. It's held down with a 13mm bolt. Go ahead and remove this fuse box cover. Then take loose these two 11mm nuts that hold the fuse panel down. And then just lift up on it. Just get it loose. Pull it out of the way, gives you just a couple more inches. Just try to get these wires as much out of your way as possible. Now take the battery, and you gotta kind of put it on its side a little. Just gonna work it like this. Careful not to bump off any fuses or relays. Take new battery, just put it in the same way the old one came out. Now set the fuse box back in place. There's a little plastic leg that has to pile into a slot in the fender well down there to make sure that guides in, because that supports the bottom of it. I think you can see it like there. Reorient the various wires that you put out of the way. Just take the fuse box cover, put it back on. Start with the battery hold down. It goes on just like that. Start the bolt a few turns by hand, and then finish it off. This doesn't have to be crazy tight. To over tighten, it's just gonna smash the hold down clamp. It's just plastic. Just make sure the battery's secure. Clean up that positive terminal a little bit. If your battery has these protective caps, make sure you remove both of them. Now start with the positive terminal. And with the negative terminal, I'm going to take your cross brace, reattach that harness, start with the big bolt, and tighten for now. Get the two little bolts in place. And just tighten them down. And that's it. You're done.